In this video, we are going to solve this integral right here. We have the integral of 1 divided by 36 plus 49x squared. Now this problem involves inverse trig, and more specifically, we're going to have to apply this integral right here. The integral of 1 divided by a squared plus x squared dx is equal to 1 divided by a arctan parentheses x divided by a plus c. Now currently, our form isn't like this exactly, but we could rearrange this a little bit. Instead, we could say the integral of parentheses 1 divided by. Here the formula says a squared. We have 36. So you could say 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. Now, next one is x squared. We still won't have this, but we could at least say parentheses 7x close parentheses squared. So parentheses 7x squared is 49x squared. And we'll have dx. Now, it's not quite the same in that here it's just an x squared. So you could do u substitution. Now, if u is equal to 7x, then our du term would be 7dx. And so if you want to get the dx by itself, you would get du divided by 7 is equal to dx. And so now let's swap. So we'll have the integral parentheses 1 divided by 6 squared is fine. Instead of 7x, let's replace it with u squared, close parentheses, and dx, we can replace it with du divided by 7. Okay, now our form is very much the same. Now, instead of saying du divided by 7, you could put 1 divided by 7 in the front. So you could get 1 divided by 7, the integral parentheses 1 divided by 6 squared plus u squared, close parentheses du. And now our form is like this. And so all we have to do is replace. So we're going to get 1 divided by 7 times. Now our formula says 1 divided by a. This is our a term. So our a term is 6. So we'll get 1 divided by 6 arc 10 parentheses. Our x term is this piece right here. In our case, it's u. So we'll put a u divided by a. Again, a is our 6. Close parentheses plus c. So now we can clean up a little bit. 1 divided by 7 times 1 divided by 6 would give us 1 divided by 42 arc 10 parentheses. Instead of u, we have to replace it. And u is 7x. So we'll get 7x divided by 6 plus c. And this right here is our final answer. And for more practice, check the description box for more videos.